All right, what have we got today? We got some guitar accessories. These are the velvet bag, and inside the velvet bag you get, a fret file. You get, this looks like a fret leveling beam. You get extra sandpaper for the leveling beam. You get a fret rocker. You get these things that are for raising the strings if you want to get under the strings to do something. And you get this guy here, and this is for when you're polishing the frets. Let's see if I can get one out here. When you're polishing or working on individual frets. Holy cow. I'd have to get the jaws of life for this one. There we go. Are they really inside a plastic bag? Inside the plastic bag? They are. So you put these over the frets stick up, and then you can work on them without scratching up the fretboard. See if I can, let's just get the neck of this guitar in the shot. So if you're working on the frets, you can slide this over, and then you can work on the frets without scratching up the fretboard. Here's another one. This one's a little wider. Put it under the strings. Now normally the strings would be off, but I just did that to show you what's going on with that. Let's see a closer look at this guy. So you got 4 sides. Very, very fine on either side, and then you've got a little bit coarser on this side, and then they give you replacements for all 4 sides. So yeah, you get you get a couple of levelings on that. For the money you pay, it's pretty good little kit. You know, it's not something that you're going to use for a long time. It's not Stuart McDonald, high-end quality, but it's a decent little set.